Hello and welcome to this video about Jungson Impressions 2. There's this guy here in Perth, in northern suburbs, that is an absolute guru on getting a good sound. And he can get good sound out of tubes or solid state, electrostatics or horns and anything. And it just, at the end of the day, becomes brilliant. And that is his CD player, which is a bit temperamental. And it's a $5,000 US CD player from China. You can see it's got headphones with its volume pot, and it has a 3 outputs, ASDBU, Toslink and SPD. And on the other side you have a analog outputs, variable and fixed on RCAs and balance, and it's a proper balance design. Top loader. I haven't got to the laser yet, but I think it's some kind of a Sanyo. It's excellent build quality. You see those 4 legs? In them legs, you can see there's some glass. There's one of them houses a headphone amp, one houses tube output, one I think a DAC, and one does solid state up. Well, I'm not sure now, but I mean they're not just there for looks, you know, they're house stuff. That there appears to be a power supply. And as you see, plenty of Nihikon Golds and other Nihikons. These are Elners, I can see from the cap. How elaborate is that mains filter? You see, Lampizator always raves about, is the filter installed properly? Is it, you know, good? Does it stop the noise? Well, that certainly looks the part. We have a display here. I just thought I'd make this short video just to show you, you know, the quality of build. Plenty of regulators. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 at first view, and obviously there are probably more in those legs. So that's all, folks. I'll see what I can do with it, and cheers until the next one. Bye bye.